Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make your own Unturned server. Very quick and it's very easy. So let's get right into the making. First of all, you want to download Unturned server organizer. I will show you how. You go to this website, link will be in description. And first thing what's gonna pop up is download link. You're gonna click that and then it's gonna show you I'm not very good at English, so some things, but you can read it all and just look at it and then you can download. Then it will give you Unturned set. I don't know what it is, USO, but you're gonna click it. It's gonna ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You're gonna click yes. It's gonna show you welcome to the Unturned server organizer setup. You're gonna click next. It's gonna show me this because I have it already downloaded it. So I'm gonna just close it and you can put where you want files go and then you can download it, but I'm gonna not download it because I have it already, so I'm gonna close it. And next thing, you want to end the install. You want to end the download, then open the app, and it maybe asks you the same, but you're gonna put yes. It's gonna ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, and you're gonna click yes. Then it's gonna load up. It's gonna load up pretty fast for me because I have it downloaded it, and this doesn't need to download it. Download the files again. So you see that there will be a default server. If you want to use this, you can use it, but I'm gonna set up new server. You can put any name here. I'm gonna put tutorial. Then you can choose modded or vanilla, but I don't know why you can not choose the vanilla. But I'm gonna use modded, so I'm gonna click create, and now you can put the name. That's gonna show you the name only for you. The name with this name will be shown to people who will join by Unturned in this server. So you can. I'm gonna change it to tutorial YouTube 36. Then you can put maximum players. I'm not gonna change that, and I don't know what this does, but I'm gonna just do nothing with it. You can choose now perspectives. first, they can only look first person. Third, they can only look only third person, and both they can change what perspective they want to look. Now you can put welcome message. When you join in the server, this will pop up in chat for you. And I'm gonna put welcome. Just gonna put that. Server port. I don't know about much about Andern the server ports, but I think there was some other port too you can put, but I'm not gonna change it. What if I don't really change these things too? Queen size, you can change that. If you have it on 0, that means that if anybody tries to join and somebody else tries to join at the same time, then one of them gets a kick because they can't join at the same time. I'm gonna make it to 10. Map now. If you have subscribed in Steam some workshop maps, then they will come up here. But if you don't, then there will be only these default ones. So I'm gonna put Washington. PvE and the PvP. I'm gonna put to PvP. If you don't know what is the difference, then PvP is like everybody can shoot somebody else, and they can raid other people's bases. So I will be right back. So I lost a clip of how we edited these things. So just pause or stop the video and copy the things which are here. So I'm gonna now move on. So click save after you copied, and then click start. It will load up. And I will see you in Andern when the server is up, so see ya. So I'm back. So next thing you will have to do, or when you want to go your own server, then go server, like when you want to go in your server that you just made it, then go LAN and it will show up. I will connect her. I don't know why is there a glitch, but it happens sometimes. So I'm in, and when I look, I'm not the admin. So you can turn yourself to a admin. Here. Admin, and then put your name, and it will say not good at the English, not good. And then you will see that it's blue, and here it's still blue, and you can spawn stuff in, like I don't know, don't know, I think that was some glitch, but you can only play by yourself here because it's your LAN server, so nobody else can join in their homes. If you want to the server be only LAN, then you don't need to do anything. You are done with the server now. You can put plugins and stuff in, but right now you don't need to do anything more. But I will show you now that this program has automatic port forwarding. I will show it to you. So when you're back at the server panel, then you click. You see there. You're not gonna click anything. You see that there will be vanilla settings and plugin stuff and that, but in the bottom will be automatic port forward. So some of you can use it, but some of you cannot use it. So if you can't, you need to port forward in your router, but I can. And if you put enable, then the server name should turn to a blue. So if you can, and you're gonna click enable and you're gonna start your server, it's gonna be blue, then you're done everything. Your server is now up and everybody can join there, your friends and random people. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video or tutorial, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.